Way! It's your girl Bam Bam, and we are back for another twerk tutorial. Today I am going to teach you how to isolate those booty cheeks. It's a great workout, and not only that, it helps you build your confidence, because you know, when you can be moving those booty cheeks like pow, 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 pow. What a better party trick. Now, let's set yourself up. So, first thing you want to do is get yourself some knee pads, or get yourself a nice soft foamy mat like this. Then bring your knees out like this. Pam. Okay? Bringing your knees out, pushing down into the mat. Okay? You go as far as is comfortable for you. If you can only get here, that's cool too. You've always got to start from somewhere. Bring them out. Push the booty towards the heels. Now arch that lower back. Okay? Everything's in the lower back. Now, in order to get each booty cheek to isolate, or each glute, you have to dig your knee into the ground and try and squeeze together the hip and the knee joint, okay? Once you try and get that squeezing motion, that's what activates the part of your glute, which is going to squeeze and go boom, boom, boom. Then we're going to try the other side. Squeeze, 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 switch, squeeze, 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 and squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. So really pushing down, trying to connect to that hip with that knee joint. That's what's going to give you that pressure to squeeze. Don't worry if you don't see anything right now. The easiest way to start is squeeze them both together. So just squeeze like you're holding in a fart. Squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release, squeeze, release. Hold it really long if you want to grow the glutes and get a big booty. Squeeze hard, and then release, okay? Do this every day to help you practice, and I promise within a week you will be a booty isolating queen, and you'll be able to level up and start doing it while standing up or whilst in this position. Boom, 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 etc, etc. Let's try it to some music, shall we? Hey, let's start just on the one side. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Get that beat. Hey, 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 hey. It's okay if you have one side stronger than the other. I have that too. Switch, switch. Hey, 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 hey. 4, 3, 2, both at the same time. Up, down. Hey, yeah. 4, 3, 2. Separate them. Go. Woo. Yes! I hope you got it at home. I hope you picked it up at home. And if you did, make sure to tag me at BamBam_Boogie in your booty isolation videos. Let me know what you want next from my channel. Just comment and subscribe. Thank you so much, and thank you for 1,000 subscribers. Whoa, we lit. See you guys soon.